Panguva ino macritics eZANU-PF vaya panguva ino achipreza Mkanya VP Constantino Chiwenga, vanova vachimupreza zvakanyanyisa vachishaya nemapictures avo panguva ino vachimuti ndiye chef wekumabarracks and the next president wenyika yedu, nyika yeZimbabwe. Ndisana pana mashoko anobuda nyoko panguva ino inakirina mujati. Don't subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Anoposta this picture amuri kuona awara VP Constantino Chiwenga iro obuda yachinramira achiti good evening Zimbabwe, Mkanya Chiwenga, the people's general, the real chef of my barracks and the next president of Zimbabwe. Why not Mkanya? Like your totem soko, show them your ability, your power, good or style. Let them see those knees are not knocking, no signs of arthritis or gout here, just pure stamina and natural might. That pose says it all. Active, sharp, engaged. While some can't even trap a ball or bend to pick it up, their joints are done, finished. Just loud mouths with brittle bodies, but you, Mkanya, stand tall. Be proud of your strength and physical presence. Back in 2018, remember how Chief Chigananda, Emerson Mnangagwa and George Charamba held press conferences updating the nation about your supposed miss. They plotted in vain. Vampire never die easy, and what they failed to calculate was that Vampire, the lineage, never bow easily. Chiwenga rose again, not only to walk, but to stand shoulder to shoulder with the people he saved in the military government and the people of Zimbabwe. Health is wealth, health is power. Some may have billions jets and all the country's gold, but if your health is gone, we have got nothing. If ever there was a symbol of health, divine protection and political stamina, it is found in Chiwenga. His body, his posture, his poise speak of a man who has overcome more than illness. He has survived betrayal, political plots, and national expectations. Wakakumburirwa Mkanya, blessed with unshakable strength, not bought by Zvigananda or tainted riches, but a gift from above. Mkanya Chiwenga remains physically sharp and mentally alert. Anobvaisa aiwa zvipakira zvamuri kuona izvi mashoko anobuda according to Karina Mujati achitsanangura aiwa how the view yaanoona yaVP Constantino Chiwenga, how great he is, aiwa achikombea nevamwe vanhu. Ndo mashoko anobuda itogwa panapa naKarina Mujati. Mboridza mafunguro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro penhau iyi. Pinha kumesection yedu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.